Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Roland Druhl, Head of Pre-Sales at TokBox, a company specializing in embedded video communications using WebRTC. And I'm here this afternoon to pose this question to you. Financial services in the social age, is it a cost or is it in fact a real opportunity? So it's all about video in this social age. Here are some facts. Today, over 3 billion people around the world expect one-click global video and voice communications from the palm of their hand. And more people are performing financial transactions inside social chat applications. Web and mobile banking has been established for well over a decade, and now we see automated bank branches with no local staff and millennials conducting all of their financial transactions from moving money around to depositing checks in their bedroom on their phone. So what will the future bring? Well, rich social and visual experiences are growing exponentially. And this session explores the challenges of financial services in the social age and asks how a dramatic increase in live customer experiences can be delivered at a manageable cost. So the first challenge with embedding live video is often overcoming the fear. And let's watch this video, which illustrates nicely what TokBox does, and then we can talk about some of the challenges that often occur when embedding live video.
Hello, Ms. Bates. Do you have a tax question?
I do. There's a bunch of creepy kids in this house I moved into.
Oh. Are they your kids?
No, they were here when I moved in.
Oh, that sounds awful.
Can I claim them as dependents?
Unfortunately, you can't, but you may be able to deduct some of your moving expenses.
Good. Because I'm going to have to move again.
So one of the challenges of real-time videos used by Kathy Bates in that short commercial is that it is a very scary proposition for most people for multiple reasons. Oftentimes people think that it takes a lot of effort to build, it's very difficult to set up, it's not reliable, oftentimes requires a plugin or something to download in order to make it function, and they fear a poor user experience. But the truth is, embedding live video with TokBox really is not a scary experience at all and can be done in under a minute and provide reliable, plug-in-free results. Let me show you how that could be done. So it's a three-step process. You sign up for an account at TokBox.com, you log in, create a video chat embed, simply copy that code and stick it into your web page. So here is a page that I want to quickly embed live video communications into, and I've got the code for that page right here. So I'm just going to go to my TokBox dashboard and click the button to create a new video chat embed, and I'm going to give it a name. Click Next, and this is where I can adjust the size of the widget, so I'll make it 600 by 540, and I need to give it the URL as well of where it's going to be, which is the URL right here. Copy that. Back to my account page, and create the embed. Now I can simply copy that code, go back over to my very straightforward HTML page, paste that code in, save it, back to my live page, which is right here, and refresh that, and I should see my video chat widget embedded in here. And if I was a customer for Soma Financial Bank, I could click to start the call with my financial advisor, for example, allow my camera there, and hopefully my financial advisor is right there. Excellent. So as simple as that, in under a minute, you can embed live video communications into your page. And the good news is that with a little bit more work, you can easily expand these types of capabilities. You can add screen sharing, annotation, multi-party chat, and all of this can easily integrate with your contact center, which you might have spent lots of money on. So let me show you an example of a demo that's got an iOS app that interfaces with a web app. So I'll just go across to my mobile phone, and as a customer of Somar Bank, I'm checking my email. Hopefully, I will have got an email from my financial advisor. Okay, it's not there. But the point being is that you can easily expand those capabilities and add all sorts of other features. And this really is the paradox for financial services today. Digital disruption has clearly forged a new world for finance. Banking and financial services now exist online and within mobile apps. The convenience and seamlessness of managing financial services online has become totally standard. But as a HBS professor has noted here, managing money is very, very different, obviously, from booking something like a hotel. And this anxiety about money makes it really important for financial services to deliver a high-touched, personalized customer experience. How can this best be achieved? Well, what we have seen as TokBox, the go-to platform for embedded video communications, is that people have turned to video to provide just that. And here are 3 examples. So TurboTax, as we saw with Kathy Bates in the commercial, used the iOS video app to resolve her tax queries with TurboTax. RBS, their wealth management arm, Coots, have an application that allows you to book an appointment with your financial wealth advisor. And the 3rd example here is Esurance, which is the typical see what I see type application where if you've been involved in an accident, you can use your mobile phone to have a video consultation with someone who can guide you through the claims process. And the point of all of this really is improved customer satisfaction, saving time, and saving money. So let's very quickly talk about security, which is obviously very important for financial services. With the TokBox platform, customers retain control of what security they choose to implement to protect their own content, platform, applications, and networks. All of our media traffic is encrypted, and this media traffic can also be restricted to certain geographies due to customer regulatory requirements. The sessions can also themselves be recorded and encrypted in real time as they are created, and also when they are stored on an Amazon S3 storage container. So, what is next? Well, everything we've spoken about so far is a proven real-world use case. So if financial services are not considering video at this point, I would suggest they are falling behind the curve. And the big trend happening right now is social. And as the go-to platform for video communications, we at TokBox have a great vantage point as we see trends in video that we feel has real implications for financial services. As I was saying before, 3 billion global users now expect live video communications with a single click in the palm of their hand. And every social messaging platform has added video. Today, social video competition is Facebook, Snapchat, Tencent, and others. And what help will you need to keep up? One of the very biggest that's powered by TokBox is called House Party. And the idea behind this app is to create a virtual space where you can hang out with your friends, a house party where everyone you know is invited. And the app allows users to quickly jump into parties and have video chats with all of their friends, basically. So powering these hugely popular apps gives TokBox as TokBox a great vantage point, as we have seen firsthand how quickly these types of apps can go viral, global, and become a part of people's daily lives. This social digital surge is relevant to financial services today because competition comes from everywhere. No longer do financial institutions have to worry about other innovative financial institutions. Now, social media platforms are moving into financial services, and thousands of financial technology startups are being established each year. I've got 3 examples here. For example, in China, an individual can pay their rent using Alibaba. The hugely popular WeChat can offer loans of up to 30,000 that can be approved in a matter of minutes, and you can also buy mutual funds from Baidu. So the point is that millennials clearly have a hard time engaging with traditional brick-and-mortar type banking activities. So financial service providers now have to look at new ways to immerse this new generation of customers in a more familiar environment. And one of these startups is called Financial Juice. And Financial Juice aims to be Yahoo Finance on steroids, basically. And in addition to aggregating news feeds about financial services, they have added the TokBox broadcast workflow, which allows a presenter to broadcast live from the Financial Juice site, also stream it out to Facebook Live and YouTube Live. And it also allows people viewing the site to get in line to ask the presenter a question live, which is hugely immersive and hugely exciting. So let me quickly show you how you could perhaps add this broadcast workflow to a particular page. So I'm just going to go back to my code for my previous demo, and I'm going to grab my broadcast workflow piece of code, copy that, again, very straightforward to do. I can paste that in to the body of my HTML page, save it, refresh my page, and I have my financial advisor is doing a broadcast from directly into the page. And as you can see, I, as the consumer of this page, can get in line to ask him a question. It's just going to ask me for my name, and then I'm live on the virtual stage, if you like, with my financial advisor. And all of this content, as I was saying, can be streamed to platforms like Facebook Live. Should see him appear in that box very soon. So just to conclude then, TokBox is a communications platform as a service that makes it really easy to quickly build and deploy video and social applications that can scale massively across a variety of use cases. Our embedded communications platform allows you to easily embed video, voice, chat, screen sharing, annotation in a secure way, in a global way, in a very scalable way. And all of this video content can be broadcast and also recorded. Thanks very much.